Hi, it's Dutchy again. Yesterday's vlog was kind of a quick one, and I didn't show everything I wanted to because I was rendering the Dutchy Be Healthy video, which was taking a long time, and I was doing that with Premiere Pro, and so I couldn't start another project at the same time. So I ended up doing a really quick vlog. I made it with Movie Maker. So today I'm going to show you some footage, not much, but of the kids having fun at Joachim's birthday party last Saturday, and some stuff of today. Hope you enjoy! It's Monday again, working today, and it's another day, well, not another day, we've got the typical Dutch weather again. It's raining and it's pretty cold, 12 degrees centigrade. I feel that the heater is on in the car, and as you probably saw, I'm wearing, I believe it's called a vest. Anyway, so good thing about it is not too bad to be inside an office. I suppose when the weather is really good and you really want to go outside. Okay, gonna get a little grocery shopping done. I always do that Monday morning, and then heading to work by car this time, and then walking the last piece. So this is what I talked about last week, the kind of weather I don't like to ride my bike in. So I'm walking to my car, about a 5 to 10 minute walk. And this way I'll stay kind of dry.
Je mag eens kijken. Zo, dit is het. Aanzetten hem.
Scary!
Halloween!
Do you like Halloween, Nathaniel? So how's it going, Elliot? How many pieces does this puzzle have? You know? Yeah, how many are there? You could say that. You don't feel like talking today? No? So that concludes today's vlog. You might have wondered at the intro, and maybe now as well, why my makeup is kind of strange. It's not really like symmetric. If you want to know, you should watch my makeup challenge vlog, or not vlog, video that I'm gonna put up hopefully tonight, and otherwise will probably be tomorrow. And then you can see what happened there. It's a lot of fun to watch. If you want to see that, or if you want to see more vlogs like I did today, or probably better, please subscribe to this channel. You can hit this button here. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have ideas on what you want to see, or you want to comment on my English, which, you know, I want to learn, so that's always okay. Or anything else, please leave a comment below. And remember, a smile brightens your day. So smile every once in a while. It'll brighten your day. It will brighten the day of the one you're smiling at. So, you know, try to be positive. Life is good. And enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.